On this episode of Wisconsin Mobile Detailing, we're doing something a little different. I'm going to show you how to make a wheel table, like an end table, out of a wheel, a piece of glass, which I don't have right next to me, and this is actually a bird bath. So first you need to have your bird bath actually upside down. I have used in the past a bubble gum machine post, and that worked well too. So we have it upside down. I cleaned off everything as much as I wanted to before doing this. And now what we do is we set the wheel on top, obviously, that's where it's going to go. But we're looking to see where it touches the metal, and if we can get away with hiding as much of the JB weld as possible. So I'm thinking we can put it like here on these spots, and that'll secure it well enough. I've never actually used this JB Weld putty before, putty stick. It was in the impulse buy section at the auto parts store, and I needed some JB Weld, so I kind of went with this. Well, that's why I went with it, so I can't get it undone, and I don't have my knife on me, so this is starting off great. Okay, so it basically said you just rip a, oh, that smells weird, rip a chunk off and kind of knead it into a dough. A dough, I guess it's a dough. Knead it until it's all mixed up. Kind of shove it down where you want for stuff to sit. Obviously this will take a little bit. Okay, that should be plenty. Now we put our wheel back on. And press it down just a little bit. Yep, there it's stuck on some spots, so that's good. It has a cure time of 1 hour to 3 hours. So the weight of the wheel should push it down and keep it on there good enough, I'm hoping. And we also used almost all of this stick because it goes in this tube. So next step is putting our glass on. You can kind of see it in the camera. First, you put it down to see how it's going to fit, and this one actually fits kind of perfectly. Even I didn't measure any of this, I kind of just got this glass. So I'm just going to put basically some glue along the wheel, like the actual rim of the wheel itself, and then push it down a little bit, and then just wait. Carefully and gently put it on there. Don't put too much pressure, because as you can see, the little glue dots, basically they expand when you push down, so you just give it a little pressure and let the weight do the rest. And there you have it, a wheel table, but we gotta wait a couple hours. This is the one that I've made before. As you can see, I kind of needed another one with all the junk I have on it. That one's actually about a foot taller, but that's just dealing with what stand we have. And here you have the finished product. The lighting down here is awful, but as you can see, it looks pretty good. There's glass on top, the wheels on there sturdy, and yeah, I like it.